It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear.
Hey cousins, today's video is going to be featuring Luv Me Hair, and I have like the simplest, straight to the point video on this unit. Check out the goodies that they sent me. Look at those cute hoops. I decided to wear those in today's video. So getting right into this application in this wig review, I have Luv Me Hair's Honey Blonde Long Straight Bang Human Hair Wig. So basically it is a full cap. You do get a circle of lace in the middle, which I appreciate because it makes the wig look so seamless and it doesn't look wiggy. The inside cap construction does come with adjustable straps, an elastic band, and I believe 3 or 4 combs, but you don't need to use the combs. I only use the comb in the back because I use my wig grip and the wig wasn't going anywhere. It wasn't sliding or anything. It is a stretchy, comfortable cap while still fitting your head appropriately. Like I mentioned before, this is one of those straight to the point units. So you see me styling this wig. It's simple. All I needed to do was flat iron it to get those crinks out of it and get the bang together, and we were pretty much done. I went ahead and cut any little straggly pieces of hair in the bang area, flat ironed it, combed it out, and then I just decided if I like y'all know how I do over here, I like to push some hair behind my ear and just play around. And in a minute you're going to see how it looks with my fedora hat. Y'all know how I feel about that fedora hat. It's just gorgeous. I think that this wig is unique because of the color. The honey blonde color has just this pop to it, and you don't really see it with your traditional bang wig. So I really like the switch up, and I appreciate that you do get dark roots, so it just makes it look that more natural. The texture is a silky texture. It doesn't look artificial or too shiny. I did get a clip of how it looks in the natural sunlight, so I will try to insert that. I did miss a spot in the flat iron, so don't judge the back of it. I missed a spot, but all in all, the 18 inches looks really good, but I feel like this wig will look so cute in like 14 inches. This particular unit starts at $79. So if you guys are interested in checking out this wig, I will leave links to Luv Me Hair down in my description box. If you don't want to pay all at once, you can choose Afterpay or other sources where you can make 4 payments on this unit. So you cannot beat that. Tell me how you feel about this wig. Do you like it? Y'all know how I feel about a wig that looks great with a hat. I am here for it, especially on an everyday basis, because in my everyday life, sometimes I'm lazy with my hair. Okay, as long as my face is together, I feel together when I can have a good plop on and go unit, no fuss, and I'm out the door. So thank you to Luv Me Hair for sponsoring today's video. Thank you guys for coming back to my channel, and if you guys are new, I would love to have you a part of my fam. If you subscribe just like that, you'll become one of our cousins. And until next time, you guys, I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.